Large function returns the largest value from a data. This function has two arguments. In array argument, select the array or range of data for which you want to determine the kth largest value. In k argument, type the position in the array or references range of the value to return. In array box, you can select array or cell references range. Select this cell references range. Press tab key. In K box, type 1. Click OK. Function returns first largest value 20 from this range. In this range, the most largest value is 20. As a result, function returns first largest value from this range is 20. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Scroll down. Click Large Function. In array box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In K box, type 4. Click OK. Function returns fourth largest value 11 from this range. First largest value is 22 from this range and second largest value is 13. Third largest value is 12 and fourth largest value is 11. As a result, function returns fourth largest value in this range is 11. Active this cell. Click Large Function. In array box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In K box, type 6. Click OK. Function returns sixth largest value is 8 from this range. First largest value is 25. Second largest value is 17. Third largest value is 16. Fourth largest value is 14. Fifth largest value is 12. And sixth largest value is 8. As a result, function returns 8 largest value in this cell. Active this cell. Click Large Function. In array box, this time select an array. Press tab key. Type 1. Click OK. Function returns first largest value 25 from an array. This is the most largest value in an array. In this way, you can find largest value by using large function in an Excel worksheet.